Welcome back. You're watching NewsX. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. Our big focus this morning is on Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, today, of course, is the second phase of the three-phase Vidhan Sabha election in Jammu and Kashmir. This is the first Vidhan Sabha election after the abrogation of Article 35A and 370. J&K is witnessing a historic moment today. Assembly polls, of course, taking place across the Union Territory after a decade. In the second phase today, 239 candidates are in the fray. 26 seats are being voted today, and their fate, of course, is being decided by a 25 lakh strong electorate. It's spread across 6 districts of Jammu and Kashmir. Of course, for a smooth polling process, the Election Commission has set up 3,502 polling stations, which will be manned by a total of 14,000 polling staff. Amongst the 26 seats going to polls today, several high-profile battles are being fought. Omar Abdullah, the Vice President of the Jammu Kashmir National Conference, is in the fray in the contest from 2 constituencies of Budgam and Gandarbal. Meanwhile, the Jammu and Kashmir President of the BJP, Ravinder Raina, is also seeking re-election from Naushera in the Rajouri district. Well, this time he, of course, faces a challenging contest against former party colleague Surinder Chaudhary, who's been fielded by the National Conference. Additionally, Jammu and Kashmir Congress Chief Tariq Hamid Kara is eyeing the central Shalteng seat in Srinagar, running against the PDP's Abdul Qayyum Bhatt. Well, Kara was previously a member of the PDP and left Mehbooba's party in 2016, having been a vocal critic of the BJP-PDP alliance. Apart from this, Altaf Bukhari of the Apni party, who is the wealthiest candidate in this phase with assets exceeding 165 crore rupees, is contesting from the Chanapura area in Srinagar. It's been 5 years, remember, since the abrogation of Article 370 in the Union Territory. Today's Jammu and Kashmir is a testament to the power of transformation. We've seen the remarkable increase in the voter turnout, which stood at 61.38% during the Lok Sabha polls, but it's been very high even in the first phase of Jammu and Kashmir elections. Let's hope that number stays high today as well. Well, several early birds are already queuing up in front of voting booths to cast their mandates. Let's go straight across to our reporters on ground to gauge what's happening there. Ajay Jandial is joining us live from the Lamberi polling station in Naushera. We'll have more reporters also joining us in a second. But Ajay, let's come to you first. What's the mood there? Are you already seeing early morning voters beginning to queue up?
Show you the first visuals of the polling station where Ravinder Raina, who is contesting election from the Naushera constituency, you can see that he's waiting in queue, and he has to cast his vote today at the Dandetsar village, which is a hometown of Ravinder Raina, where he's going to cast his vote and then definitely go further to the other polling station to definitely see that where this polling is heading towards, because you know that this is going to be very competitive for him as well, because he know that in on this Naushera constituency, Surinder Chaudhary, who is a National Conference and a Congress Alliance candidate, he is in the opposition, and he is continuously, Congress and National Conference is continuously blaming that that in last 10 years the injustice is done with the people of Jammu and Kashmir. 370 was snatched, and other decision which government has taken that did not help the people of the Jammu and Kashmir, whereas BJP is saying that whatever happened in last 10 years, this is something which basically is not happening. Let's see that what he is saying. He's speaking to the media first.
हमारे लोकतंत्र का ये शानदार पर्व है। जम्मू कश्मीर में विधानसभा चुनावों के लिए मतदान का आज दूसरा चरण है, और सुबह से ही लंबी लंबी कतारें पोलिंग स्टेशंस के बाहर नजर आ रही हैं। नौशहरा विधानसभा क्षेत्र से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के उम्मीदवार के नाते मैं स्वयं मैदान में हूं, और आप देख रहे हैं कि नौशहरा जो कि बॉर्डर का एरिया है, LOC से सटी हुई सारी ये विधानसभा है। सुबह से ही भारी संख्या में मतदाता घरों से बाहर निकले हैं मतदान करने। मुझे विश्वास है जो पिछले 10 वर्षों में हमारे देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्रद्धेय नरेंद्र मोदी साहब और हमारे माननीय गृह मंत्री श्रद्धेय अमित शाह साहब ने जिस प्रकार जम्मू कश्मीर में अमन, शांति, खुशहाली, भाईचारा मजबूत किया है, जम्मू कश्मीर में विकास कार्यों में नई बुलंदियां छुई हैं, जम्मू कश्मीर में गरीब कल्याण की योजनाएं, आम जनमानस की भलाई मोदी साहब ने की है और हम देख रहे हैं ये उसी का नतीजा है कि आज जम्मू कश्मीर का हर मतदाता उत्साहित है और मुझे भी पूरा विश्वास है कि प्रचंड बहुमत से जम्मू कश्मीर में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जीत होगी, पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर में बीजेपी की जीत होगी।